Good morning, children. Welcome to Hindi first language class. How are you all? Enjoying and studying well at home? Previous class, we studied matras from A to Aha. Today, we will learn व्यंजनों की मात्रा, संयुक्त अक्षर and द्वित्वा अक्षर. Today we are going to learn व्यंजनों की मात्रा, संयुक्त अक्षर and द्वित्वा अक्षर. व्यंजनों की मात्रा, you can see ka to till shra we have to learn व्यंजनों की मात्रा. ka will become half, आधा का. Last here down, what is there in the ka? It will be not written in आधा का. Kha, आधा का. Last line of ka, it will be not written. Ga, again straight line will be not there in ga. आधा ga. Gha, straight line will be not there. Cha, again right side straight line will be not there. Cha, small line, you can see that will be not there in half cha. Ja, right side line will be not there. Cha, again straight line will be not there. Gya, again straight line will be not there. Tha, in tha, half tha, down halant will come. You can see small line here, that is known as halant. Adha tha will be written with halant. Ta also like that, tha also like that, da, dha. All this line will be written with halant. Now na, again na, straight line, right side straight line will be not there in half na. Ka, straight line, again right side straight line will be not there. Half tha. Tha, half tha, straight line will be not there. The, half the, yet no line is there, so halant will be kept down. Mostly right side straight line will be not there in half. In the, it is not there straight line, so down halant will be given. Dha, again right side line will be not there. Observe up, their gap should be there, this side one line should be kept, so that it should be not confused with gha. Na, again straight line in half na, straight line will be not there. Pa, half pa, right side straight line will be not there. In fa, no straight line in the right side, so half what side it is there, small this side, that will be not there. So see here, as it is written, half pa will be like that. Ba, again line will be, right side line will be not there in half ba. Bha, again right side line will be not there. Sha, Sh again, right side line is not there in half sha. Sh in sha, shatkon ke sha also, right side straight line will be not there in half sha. Sa in half sa, right side line will be not there. Ha, usually it is written with ha length down. No line is there, so either you can write like two ways. One inside you can keep, otherwise ha length you can keep. Sha, that also line will be, right side line will be not there in half sha. Tra, right side line will be not there in half tra. Ya in half, right side line will be not there. Shra, same way, right side line will be not there. So most of the alphabet, right side line will be not there, and in which it is not there line, right side, ha length will be kept, and ka and fa, little different. Ka, you see, down line is not there, and fa also same way. Down line here, it will be not there. Have you understood? So you practice it and write it in your CW 2 times. Ka to Shra. Write in CW 2 times. Now, Sanyukta Akshar will learn. In this, Pustak, Adasa, Ta. So, full Sa sound should not come. It combines with Ta and becomes Ta. Understood? Pustak. Pusatak we are not saying. How we say? Pustak. Half sound will only come. Makhan. Makka. Sorry, Makhi. Makhi. Ma. Adaka. Khi. In this also, Makka. Khi we are not saying. Makka. Khi we are not saying. Makhi we say. Sound becomes small. Vakt. Adaka. Ta. Vakt. अध्यापक a adha dha ya pa k. Adhyapak. Adadha and ya together it becomes adhyapak. Ra adhaka ta. Rakt. Adhaka and ta will become ta. Rakt. A adhacha cha. Acha. Adapa ya li. Pyali. Sha adhaka ti. Shakti. Ma adhacha cha ra. Machhar. Ma adhaka kha na. Makhan. Ba adasa ta. Basta. गु अदच छ गुच्छा क अदश ट कष्ट ई अदश व र ईश्वर अदप या सा यासा अदग या र ह 11 read these words, learn it and pronounce it properly and write it 2 times. Once again I am reading it. Pustak, makhi, waqt, adhyapak, rakt, अच्छा, याली, शक्ति, मच्छर, मक्खन, बस्ता, गुच्छा, कष्ट, ईश्वर, प्यासा, 11 read it, learn it and write it in your classwork 2 times. Now what we learned, that only Sayuktakshar in write in English. Pustak, book, pustak, book. Makhi, housefly, makhi, housefly. Waqt, time, waqt, time. Adhyapak, teacher, adhyapak, teacher. Rakt, blood, rakt, blood. Acha, good, acha, good. Yali, cup, yali, cup. Shakti, strength, shakti, strength. Machhar, mosquito, machhar, mosquito. Basta, bag, basta, bag. Ishwar, God, Ishwar, God. Yasa, thirsty. Once again we will read it. Write in English. Pustak, book. Makhi, housefly. Waqt, time. Adhyapak, teacher. Rakt, blood. Acha, good. Pyali, cup. Shakti, strength. Machhar, mosquito. Basta, bag. Ishwar, God. Yasa, thirsty. Read, learn and write in CW 2 times. Write in English, write in CW 2 times. Now we'll learn Dvitvakshar. In this, 2 alphabet will be same. 2 Vyanjan, same. Ka and Ka. One will be half, one will be full. Chakka. Cha, Adaka, Ka. Chakka. बच्चा, ब अधचा चा, बच्चा। सिक्का, सिक्का, सी अधका का, सिक्का। लड्डू, ला अदड़ा डू, लड्डू। लड्डू, ला अदड़ा डू, लड्डू। चम्मच, च अधमा फुल्मा च, चम्मच। कुत्ता, कु अदता ता, कुत्ता। बी अधला ली, बिल्ली। बी अधला ली, बिल्ली। पा अदता ता, पत्ता। पा अदता ता, पत्ता। गु अदबा बा रा, गुब्बारा। गु अदबा बा रा, गुब्बारा। गन्ना, ग अदना ना, गन्ना। कच्चा, क अधचा चा, कच्चा। गुड्डा, गु अदड़ा डा, गुड्डा। चक्की, च अधक की, चक्की। छत्ता, छ अधत ता, छत्ता। लट्टू, ल अधट टू, लट्टू। Okay, we will read it once again. Dvitva akshar. Same alphabet 2 times. That's why it is known as Dvitva akshar. Dvi means 2. Dvitva akshar. Kacha, bachcha, bachcha. Sikka, sikka. Laddu, laddu. चम्मच, चम्मच। कुत्ता, कुत्ता। बिल्ली, बिल्ली। पत्ता, पत्ता। गुब्बारा, गुब्बारा। गन्ना, गन्ना। कच्चा, कच्चा। गुड्डा, गुड्डा। चक्की, चक्की। छत्ता, छत्ता। लट्टू, लट्टू। Read, learn and write in CW one time. Now, Dvitva akshar, write in English. Chakka, wheel. Chakka, wheel. Bachcha, child. Bachcha, child. Laddu, laddu. Laddu, laddu. Kutta, dog. Kutta, dog. Billy, cat. Billy, cat. Lattu, top. Lattu, top. Patta, leaf. Patta, leaf. Chhatta, umbrella. Chhatta, umbrella. Chammach, spoon. Chammach, spoon. Sikka, coin. Sikka, coin. Gubbara, balloon. Gubbara, balloon. Ganna, sugarcane. Ganna, sugarcane. Sorry, here A ki matra is there. Ga, adana, na. In na, A ki matra is there. In PDF, I will correct it and send it. Just you don't write like this. Ga, adana, na mein A ki matra. Ganna, sugarcane. Learn and write it in CW 2 times. With this, we come to the end of the class. Have a nice day. Thank you.